Now let's see how you can create thick lines with the help of Polyline. So for that I will just simply go and click on this Polyline. I will click here, and after that I will get these options. So you can see that I am getting an option for half width and full width. So let's first of all use the full width, and after that we will see about half width. So you can understand the difference between full width and half width like radius and diameter. So you can consider this one as radius and this one as diameter, which is almost kind of similar. So if you are going with full value, in that case you have, let's suppose if you are entering a one unit value here, in that case if you want to get the same result, in that case you have to enter a 0 0.5 in the half width. So we will talk about them in a moment, so don't worry about that. So let's first of all, let me click on this width. Okay, and then after that it will specify me to specify starting width. So let's assume that my starting width will be 1. After that I will hit enter. Now again you have to specify the ending width, so my ending width will be 1 as well. Now you can see that we have increased the thickness of the line, and now I can just simply create a geometry like this, like this. Not only that, I can create an arc with that one as well, just like this, you can see. And after that I can just simply turn back this one to line as well, and I can just simply match it with this one. So after that I'll simply press escape. So this is how you can use the full width. And now let's see about half width. So again I will go to Polyline, and I will click on this point, and let's use this time half width. So here what I'm going to do is, if I'm going to use the half width, then in that case to get the same result, to get the same thickness of that, so the thickness from this endpoint to this endpoint is 1, and if I want the same thickness from that midpoint to this endpoint should be 0 0.5 to get the same result. So let me just simply enter a 0 0.5. After sorry, 0 0.5, that's supposed to be 0 0.5. Let me just simply press escape. And let's simply go to half width. Let's simply enter 0 0.5, hit enter, 0.5, hit enter, and you can see that we are getting the same result. And this time I'm going to make a simple line like this, simple geometry like this, to get the same, just to show you that the thickness of these two are same. Now if you go back and start the polyline again, you will see that the AutoCAD is using the last setting in order to draw that polyline. If I just simply take my mouse cursor, you can see that it will use the last setting, which is of course 1 unit. So just to change this back to default, in that case you have to go to this width, just simply make this one 0, hit enter, and then enter 0, and then hit enter, and there you go. So now the thickness of line is back to default, which is 0 unit width. After that I'll just simply press escape.